Alright guys, welcome back to Fix 'em All TV. Today we're going to be blowing some stuff up. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Make sure, safety first, always wear your vests. I'm going to be putting mine on here soon, so stay tuned for this. This is going to be a good one. Alright, got my safety vest on, safety first. We'll probably get some safety glasses.
Is that enough?
He's loading this thing up. We got some Mentos here, right there. They got some other stuff too, so stay tuned for this.
Everywhere.
Safety first here, guys. We're just gonna, he thinks he can cap this thing before it explodes.
World's fastest hands.
Okay.
See.
Let's see if this stuff's even good enough. Probably not.
Tight.
Okay. It's probably gonna explode.
Nah. I probably won't when it hits the thing, but. Okay.
Yep, sort of landed the wrong way, but it did explode. So this is a $5 budget
Explosion challenge.
explosion. Yeah, we're challenging everybody out there to do this. But
Yeah,
that's why we're professionals at this. Safety first. You always want to be seen when you're doing this stuff. Spin your shovel around. That's part of making these things work. And then you go to work, start shoveling, and then you get your big rig out like you have here, and you just, here we go, we're gonna try again. It's probably gonna explode all over without getting the cap on, but we'll find out. There we go. This stuff's not as volatile as actual
World's
Coke.
fastest hands, though.
You got to get Coke though, and then it's really
Nice and
volatile.
solid,
Didn't work. Watch out, guys. Yep, not enough. I'll pick that up.
Last resort is the road.
That's why we have our safety vests on. That was a fail. That was another fail. That one's not gonna work. We're gonna have to run that over with the truck.
This bottle's too strong.
All right, we're gonna go to running it over with the truck. It's not gonna work.
Put a hole in it. 5.
Self-powered. All right, last resort, run it over. Missed. All right. That's why you have safety first. Because it sprays all over on your good pants. That exploded.
While you're here, guys, they gotta check out the new dog. We actually got the dog.
What is this, 12-inch straight pipe?
Yeah, it's actually 13.
Okay. That's the exhaust, guys.
Yeah.
On to more exciting stuff.
Enough?
Yep. Now we have to clean stuff up because he exploded all over the garage.
You clean up your mess.
Yeah, always clean up your mess. Save the planet. Get rid of any soda on your garage. Look at that. Look at that. Good as new. It's actually better than it was before. Helping save the planet.
Welcome, guys. Plastic buckets, too.
Yes, plastic everything.
Turtles will definitely get this up their nose. Don't ask me how, they'll try.
Yeah.
See, if they cared that much, they wouldn't shove the straws up their noses.
Right. If they really cared about saving their lives. Like, okay, now on to the more exciting
Now
stuff.
on to another one.
Okay. This one we're gonna leave in the package and see what happens. We got a full stick here.
We're gonna eat 2.
Full soda. We don't eat anything we buy. Just try it here.
There's a hole in or something.
Well, hurry up. Oh man. Let's run it over with the truck. works every time.
Taco Bell!
Why? Ah, he did it. He did it again. Sprinkler.
I'm thirsty!
Not me. All right, run it over with the truck.
It's all flat.
Ah, that's what you said for the last one. Oh.
Orange cream soda mess. Look at that. Look at
That was
can.
unshaken.
That is nice.
Next, we're gonna do one all shaken up and stuff.
Yeah, it smells good orange.
Soda vigorously. This is what you do with soda.
Yes, always. And let us know in the comments, pop or soda?
Soda pop.
Okay. You're not the comments. So.
That's
I didn't
usually
ask
what-
you.
That's what we call it. Soda pop.
Okay, this one's probably gonna explode pretty bad.
Yeah.
Might get me covered. I hope not, but we'll find out.
It's for the views, man.
Okay.
That we don't always get, but
Well, this one. This is the one. Everybody's gonna like this because it's 2020.
start of a new year for
Yeah.
us. And everyone else.
Yeah, well,
Alright, y'all ready? Here we go.
maybe. Oh, disappointing.
That was disappointing.
We're gonna do one in slow
That
mo.
was lame. Let's crush this can though.
Okay.
Save the turtles, crush your cans. Every can you crush, you save a turbo. An aluminum one, that is.
That's how you do it. Look at that. Saving all those turtles. Turbos.
Now I'll go feed it to my truck. It's pretty hungry.
So there's that. Now we're gonna try and throw one. And then we'll run one over. Garbage. Alright, we got one last one, shake it up, ready to go. Safety first. Heads, stay out. Yeah, stay out.
20, here we come.
That wasn't what we expected.
Better not be like flat.
It's gonna be, because the earth is flat. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to this unusual episode of Big or Small, we fix them all here. It's 2020, new year, new videos. Safety
New Year.
first this year.
Happy New
I
Year.
mean, you already saw a video this year, but that's fine.
Happy New Year.
Happy old year.
Happy New Year.
We still got the same Rams coming by. Same Rams,
Happy New Year.
same trucks. But we might be getting some new trucks or something, I don't know. Selling the show if anybody wants it. What else is going on in 2020? Starting a business. We still got the toolboxes, the shop.
Yeah, so that's about it.
Yep.
Let's just here. Watch this. This is basketball, soccer. And yeah, watch this. Watch close now.
Okay, don't do that.
That, hold on. 2020 if I get it in the bucket. If not, it's 2021.
Okay. Man, it looks
I
like
knew
it's
it.
2021,
I
guys.
do it all the time.
Okay. Don't play around glass. Okay, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like this video.
Like, comment, share,
like
subscribe.
this video.
Like.
Share it to all your friends because this is a good one. Everybody's gonna want to watch this. So safety first, and see you next year.